They send you links every day. You click on links, you go to website, you look for things online, you want to shop, you want to do some things. That is when you enter problem that you don't know. There are a lot of links that you have clicked that are not supposed to be clicked. That has generated a lot of things for you from your phone, from your laptop. It has gathered a lot of information from everything that you have. Your bank OTP, your bank ATM card, your bank PIN, ATM card PIN, whatever the PIN that you are using, as you are typing it on your phone, some people can have access to it, and as well, they will be able to store it, use it against you whenever they want to. So, for you not to fall into this kind of scam, legit organizations will never do this. Banks will never do this. But there are a lot of websites like your that related to that of your own bank that you are using. There are a lot of organizations that are very, 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 very close to that organization that you are using. Yes, because what they do is cloning. They will clone an organizations for you. I'm not here to talk about it or about cloning today. I just want to give you solution on how you can save from clone websites and how to prevent yourself from falling into scams. Now, watch this video and you're going to love it. If you are a first-time viewer, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. So guys, like I said, so on this website, you can do a lot of things. So you can actually scan a link, and as well, you can scan a file, you can scan anything. So that if you are not sure if you that this particular thing secure, or you are doubting, like I said, so what you're going to do is just like, if you want to scan a file, you can say immediately I come to this website. You can see right here, like okay, let me just show you. You can see where there is file. So, and you can see somewhere down here where there is okay, let me show you that as well. You can see where there is choose file right here. This choose file, if you click on it like this, then it's going to go to your phone. You can see it asks me to upload. So you're going to upload any particular file that you want to scan. Then it's going to tell you if the file is okay, because it's possible for hackers to hide anything like virus or payload into a file for you, and when you download it to your phone, you're going to get a problem. So apart from that, if you check this URL, so you can just type any website here to confirm. Let me just say www.facebook.com. So you can just search. So if that website is fine, so immediately you click on search, so it's going to load and check the web for you if that particular website does not have virus or is not harmful for you to use. So apart from that, so guys, hope you can see now that it has brought results for Facebook, and as well we can all see that it said everything clean, 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 clean. So the rest of it has not rated Facebook, but all the one that reached Facebook said it is clean. So, and it said about and one of the very important things that you need to know is this angle, whereby it always explains some kind of things like this place. I may not be able to read that for you on this site, but just make sure you go and do that on your own. This angle, make sure you go and do that on yourself by yourself. So if you want to scan any site, you can just go to that. So let's go back and let me show you the last one. So after that, then you can come here right there and click on search. So URL as well. So it can be URL, it can be IP, it can be domain, it can be file or hash. So anything. So this one is very, very good. I mean, the real value of this website is more than anything. Like seriously, if even if at all you are a commoner, you don't know anything about cybersecurity, so you need to know this. This is the first thing ever that you need to know in your life. You will not be scammed again. You will not fall into problem again. Someone send me a link. Tinubu is sharing grants. Something is happening in the abroad. Come and be participating. You will not fall into the problem. So if you are watching this video for the first time, if you are watching me for the first time, this is your boy, the King of the Planet, as I said. Please don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. This is a very vital information for everybody. And don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below whatever your experience, where you use this site, and do you like it? And if at all you like it, and as well, do you want me to do anything for you? based on cybersecurity stuffs and how to protect yourself. Do you have any experience that you think that if I hadn't been you've gotten this kind of site, you will not fall into the problem? So let me have that in the comment section. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye bye. See you in the next content. Don't forget to share the video. Thank you.